Welcome to 7 Herbert Street here in Wandal. This brick family home is a must-see. Let's take a look inside.
There's lots to love about downstairs in this home. We've got a double lock-up garage that's extra long, a nice room that's conveniently located off to the side, and look at this space downstairs that connects really, really well to the outside pool area. You'd feel like absolute royalty sitting here on your back deck overlooking the pool with great views of the Berserkers.
And there's room for the entire family here. Check out how big the master bedroom is.
Seven Herbert Street in Wandal is a move-in ready, rare brick home in the south side of Rockhampton. If our team can help you own this great home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.